All right, guys, we got a gem in here. A collection of all kind of Hondas and Integras all together. 2000 Honda Civic hatchback with a 6-speed transmission and engine from a 2008 TSX Acura. It's a K24-a2 swap. It's a lot to remember, so that's why I wrote it down. Here it is. And then he brought us his own exhaust system. He put the long tube headers on it, as you guys can see. That goes into a single, and he put this pipe on it right there. Where we started was right here. We put a vibrant resonator, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Part number right there, 1794. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then he brought Speed Factory Racing right there, 3-inch system pre-bent. We had to chop it up to make it fit. So we did for him, as you guys can see. We chopped it all up to make it fit. But we made it fit. Then he also brought his own muffler, which are Vibrant Performance. Part number 1147, if you guys want one, right there. It was a tight squeeze, but we made it fit. And added hangers and all that good stuff to keep it up. So there'll be a link in the description for the muffler and the resonator and hopefully the header if we can find it for you guys, okay? But there it is. Really nice, really clean. I guess that's the part number. The 6123 is the part number on it for that 3-inch system. It's just piping. So anyways, here it is, Civic DX. They're hatchback. They're really hard to find in such a clean condition. So they're usually ragged out. So I'm glad he brought it in. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Civic hatchback. It's not your average Civic. Sounds completely different. Sounds good. K2 swap Civic. It's not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. Right at 113. Go ahead and back it out. This is the first Civic you'll see with a 6-speed, that's for sure. How much is it pushing? Horse, you think?
So it's, that motor stock is like 210, and then I don't know with the headers and intake.
I'll bet 230 around
maybe,
there.
Maybe, you know, like.
Which is not bad for such a small car.
Yeah, I mean.
Because they came originally, what, like 120?
Like 96.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the D16.
Yeah.
Was garbage. I didn't think it was non-VTEX.
It sounds really good. I like it. Not bad at all. I'm going to show you guys how to do the hood in a second. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. TSX engine, K2. Clean, it fits in there. A lot of finagling, but it fits. Look at that. There's that long header. Here's the brand of the header too. It is Alpha Skunk 2 header. Alpha Skunk 2. Got cold air intake. Really nice. I like how he painted it gold on the inside. That's cool. That's clean. Clean car. Yeah. Here we go. He's gonna give us a nice drive off, hopefully. We shall see. Sucker goes. Enjoy, guys.